Hi and welcome to Papa's Living a Flip Flop Live. My name is Demetrius and this is a quick testimonial video for Traffic Ivy. Cindy Donovan released Traffic Ivy, where it's basically a software where you're going to be able to share other people's articles, posts, videos, banners, or they share yours and you get paid vice versa, and so you can get your stuff out there and get them viral. For example, I've set up my social media accounts and then I've also added a WordPress website. Now I'm driving traffic to a specific training that I created where I'm having people share this and they get points for sharing it. Now this training right here is found in the marketplace. So anybody that's using Traffic Ivy will be able to have access to this marketplace where they can go out and choose from each category and then choose the promo that they want to promote and post on either their blogs or their YouTube channel or the social media posts, depending on what the specific article or advert is. So this is going to be given 15 points for sharing this campaign, and then I can post this, etc. I get the code and I post it on my website, etc. And I make points. I get points. Now these points are going to help me get my stuff shared around. Okay, so people are going to be earning traffic by basically sharing articles to their blogs, sharing social media posts through YouTube channels, through banner ads. This is perfectly powerful because it will get people to work and push backlinks in each of the offers that are out there. And you can see that this is running right now and there are hundreds of points that are being spent, blog posts being shared, and this is something that anybody that wants to get traffic to anything that they have, come and use Traffic Ivy. I hope you enjoyed this quick testimonial video. Thank you, Cindy Donovan, for this amazing traffic software that you've released. Peace out.